today's coconut tree snack, you will need pretzel rods, Whoppers, a green apple, a plate, a knife, and possibly a cutting board. Before you do anything in the kitchen, you must wash your hands with warm water for 20 seconds. First, cut your apple into 8 slices and leave the skin on. You will need an adult's help since we are using a sharp knife. Use a pretzel rod to act as the trunk of your tree. Then grab 4 green apples for your leaves. You will need 2 apples on each side of the trunk. Whoppers make great coconuts. Get 3 Whoppers to place in the center of your tree for the coconuts.